Good lineup.
Like no traffic, Skyline 4186 clear
Does Lewis let
0
you
8.
guys line up?
No. No. God.
I line up all the time, man.
Literally, they absolutely hate when people do that.
Yeah, I do that all the time.
Clear right, clear left. Lewis, traffic, Lake in the Hills traffic, Skyhawk 361, leave from departing runway 8, could be part in the area to the south, Lake in the Hills. Jesus.
Lewis.
Lewis traffic. God.
Same, it's okay.
Well, for the first couple flights after I flew this, towards the end of this, my Seminole training, all I could say was Seminole. Anytime I flew anything, R model,
Yeah.
S model, Aero, it was Seminole. Oh, wait.
Correction. Yeah, I did that too. I flew the 172 at our flight school.
Yeah.
And I kept saying Cessna. Cessna, Skylane, Cessna, Skyhawk. It was so embarrassing.
Alright, and 55 rotate. And she'll basically put us in a VY climb here a little bit.
She flies so nice.
Oh yeah, this thing is so freaking nice. It's
Yeah, it really
just
is.
really just because it's brand new, but.
Crypto 4, you can go direct to Haigu and join the final approach course.
Haigu, join the final approach course. Crypto 48.
What kind of plane?
I don't know. Crypto. It's a call sign, I guess.
Yeah.
Chicago departure, Skyhawk 361, leave me a form via further request off of Lake in the Hills.
361, leave me uniform, go ahead.
One leave me from, let's request the ILS 10, practice ILS 10 into DuPage, and then we'll go missed on the published mist.
One leave me uniform, squawk 5162.
5162, one leave me form. Alright, and we're going to go...
5162. When did you switch to VFR?
When we got on the ground. He didn't say it, but I mean, we landed, so...
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a VFR button, so it's just boop.
One leave me uniform, what type aircraft were you again? I forgot.
We're 172.
Roger. One leave me uniform, radar contact 3 south of Lake in the Hills, 2600, altimeter 2994.
2994 for one leave me uniform. Yeah, so basically what we're going to do now is we're going to start briefing for that approach.
Okay.
And, because you always
One
want
leave
to...
uniform, contact approach 133.5.
33.5 for one leave me uniform.
Crypto 48, descend maintaining 4000.
4000, Crypto 48.
20437, fly heading 360.
Fly heading 360, 20437.
Chicago approach, Skyhawk 361, leave me uniform 2500.
Okay, 361 Lima uniform, Chicago approach, expect ILS, runway 10, the midway altimeter 2995, advise ATC Lima.
2995 will get Lima, and then we're expecting the ILS 10 into DuPage for one leave me uniform. Alright, so we're going to get the weather now. So weather
Lima
is...
uniform, they're circling runway 2 left. Is this a full stop, or are you going to continue to do something else?
We're going to go mist. We'll do the published mist. He hasn't given us any vectors, has he?
No, I haven't heard anything.
That's the one Lima uniform, maintain VFR at 3000, and you can expect to be number 2 in sequence.
3000 for one leave me uniform. I stopped trying
That's
to...
the one Lima uniform,
keep up
fly
my
heading
Mr. Clones.
230.
230 for one leave me uniform.
That's the one Lima uniform traffic, 1 to 2 o'clock, 5 miles southeast, that indicates 2600, type unknown.
We're looking one leave me uniform.
Left runway 2 left, and visual approaches in you.
One Lima uniform traffic,
runway 2 left.
1 to 2 o'clock and 3 miles, 2600 feet southeastbound.
We're looking, we got him on the ADSB.
Okay.
And one leave me uniform has Lima.
Thank you. That's the one Lima uniform traffic, about 1 o'clock and 2 miles now, 2600.
We're still looking one leave me uniform.
One Lima uniform, turn right heading 250.
250 for one leave me uniform.
I see him.
20437, turn right heading 060, intercept the localizer.
You got him?
Yep.
Right for
I got
060,
beside you.
intercept localizer 20437.
One leave me uniform has traffic in sight.
Thank you.
Looks like a bonanza.
Lima uniform, when you're comfortable behind the traffic, turn left heading 180.
When we're comfortable, we'll turn left 180.
That's the 437, 5 from Lyle, maintain 2,500 till established, cleared ILS approach runway 10.
Doesn't give me anything.
Maintain 2,500 till established. Cleared for the ILS 10, 20437.
He said 180, I believe?
Yeah, 180.
That's the 1 Lima uniform, descend and maintain 2,500.
2,500, we're turning to 180 now for 1 Lima uniform.
Thank you. That's the 1 Lima uniform, additional traffic off the left wing at about 3 miles westbound, indicates 3,200, type unknown.
We're looking 1 Lima uniform.
So 20437, thanks for the alert.
That's the 1 Lima uniform, turn left, heading 100, intercept the localizer.
100, intercept the localizer, 1 Lima uniform.
1 Lima uniform is 6 from Lyle, maintain 2,500 till established, cleared ILS approach runway 10, maintain VFR.
Cleared ILS 10, maintain VFR for 1 Lima uniform.
Aztec 1 Juliet access.
Nice.
1 Lima uniform, contact the Page Tower, 120.9er.
120.9er for 1 Lima uniform. Thank you.
Traffic up here. Oh, he's way
Page
up.
Tower, Sky 361 Lima uniform is on a practice ILS 10. Going to be going missed at. We're going to be doing the published mist.
Number 361 Lima uniform to Page Tower, Roger. Continue inbound and report the mist.
Continue inbound, report the mist. 1 Lima uniform.
You see traffic up here.
Skag 1 Lima uniform. I may have to have you do the mist early, but I'll let you know when you get closer.
That works. 1 Lima uniform. Past Lily. It's
That's the 1 Lima uniform.
Okay.
Approach just called back. Change your missed approach instructions. So now it's going to be just prior to the threshold. It'll be a right turn heading 170. Maintain VFR.
Right turn heading 170. Did they give you an altitude for 1 Lima uniform?
That's all they gave me.
That works. 1 Lima uniform. I'm not really.
Skag 1 Lima uniform, just verify you're going to start the mist prior to the threshold.
Hey, firm, we're going to start the mist prior to the threshold, and we'll turn to 170, 1 Lima uniform.
Thank you.
Minimums.
Are they technically
Minimums.
considered Vassies?
Yeah. We're going mist.
Alright.
One Lima uniform is going mist.
Skag 1 Lima uniform, Roger.
You're visual, I want to take a video of us.
Go for it.
Looks so cool in the winter.
Yeah.
DuPage is decently large.
It is.
Yeah.
It used to, and truthfully, they're better for training now, because Aurora used to be the one that hated
One
us.
Lima uniform,
or
contact
DuPage used to be the one that hated us. We're over departure. Over to departure, 1 Lima uniform. Chicago departure, Sky 361 Lima uniform, missed off the ILS 10. Would like to do the published hold if able.
1 Lima uniform, that's fine with me, maintain VFR, but can you maintain to the west of the 2 left extended center line?
We'll say the west of the extended center lines for DuPage, 1 Lima uniform.
Thanks, 1 Lima uniform, traffic 12 o'clock, 5 miles opposite direction inbound to runway 2 left is an Aztec, same altitude descending.
We're looking 1 Lima uniform. Yeah, it's
1 Lima uniform, traffic's about,
Yeah,
about 11:30 and 3 miles, 2400.
Still searching 1 Lima uniform. We got them on the ADSB though.
Should be 200 below.
Yeah, they're going to be off to the left here just a little bit.
I think no. Oh, I see him.
You got them?
Yep.
1 Lima uniform has traffic in sight.
1 Lima uniform, thank you, resume on navigation, maintain visual separation with them.
Maintain visual separation with them, 1 Lima uniform. I got them in sight now.
Yep.
We're going to go about heading here.
Number 1 Lima uniform, you can continue as requested. What did you want to do after the hold?
After we do the published hold at Joliet, we're going to do the, probably end up going to doing the localizer 9er into Lewis.
Nice.
I'm in the uniform, Roger.
What is it doing?
That's 1 Lima uniform, the midway altimeter 29904.
29994, 1 Lima uniform.
Is that you or is it the plane?
That's the plane.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I don't know how to use autopilot yet.
No, I take
Only
all my
uniform.
suits.
Next controller has your request. Contact them on 119.35.
1935 for 1 Lima uniform. Thanks for the help.
Yep.
Chicago approach, Skyhawk 361 Lima uniform, 2600, direct to the OR.
November 361 Lima uniform, Chicago approach, altimeter 2995.
2995 for 1 Lima uniform. Yeah.
November 361 Lima uniform, advise when you are done with the hold and like to do the localizer 9 approach.
Roger, we'll let you know when we're done with the hold for 1 Lima uniform. And we're coming up on the station. Am I got it right? Maybe.
It looks like you're like right over it, actually.
I got it right, yes. Alright, so we'll call it there.
Cool.
Approach 1 Lima uniform is done in the hold. We'd like to request vectors for the RNAF 9er, or the localizer 9er.
November 361 Lima uniform, roger. Turn left heading 360.
Left 360 for 1 Lima uniform. Yeah.
November 361 Lima uniform, turn right heading 070, intercept the localizer.
070, intercept the localizer for 1 Lima uniform.
Strange.
Alright, so we're waiting for interception. We're on 070.
November 361 Lima uniform, 5 miles from Gately, maintain VFR, clear practice, localizer, runway 9er.
Clear practice, localizer 9er for 1 Lima uniform. I'm going to get some lights going in here.
Southwest 456, turn right heading 070, intercept the 4A localizer.
Sunset is 4:30, 4:20 something.
Alright.
So
Number 361 Lima uniform, no traffic depicted between you and the airport at this time. Radar service is terminated. Squawk VFR, frequency change approved today.
Squawk VFR, frequency change approved. Thank you for the help. 1 Lima uniform.
Thanks.
Are you gonna land 2 or are you gonna land?
Yeah, we're going to land 2.
Okay.
Unless they're using something else. Alright, so we're established down to 2500 until, well, we're past Gately. So now we can go down to 1800, which is Hobart. Lewis traffic, Skyhawk 361 Lima uniform is about 5 miles to the west of the airport on a practice localizer 9er, going to be circling runway 2. Lewis. Lewis traffic, Skyhawk 361 Lima uniform, about a 1 mile final runway 9er, going to be circling runway 2. Lewis.
Minimums.
We're at minimums. We got the airport in sight. We'll keep it in tight here. Lewis traffic, Skyhawk 361 Lima from left down runway 2. Lewis.